Okay, let's dive into how property management is finally going digital.
Because it feels like so many properties are still stuck using really outdated manual methods.
You get this mix of daily chaos, slow responses, and just a total lack of control.
But the solution? Well, it's a platform that brings some much-needed clarity.
It's a new, smarter way of working, moving from manual to digital.
And wow, this really shows the huge shift from total inefficiency to streamlined control.
The platform digitizes that whole entry experience for guests, brokers, you name it.
It's really all about making that first impression a great one, every single time.
So this simple change boosts both security and your property's professional image.
Next up, it gets rid of all those paper registers.
Yep, all of them. This creates these rich, accurate records you can access instantly, perfect for audits.
The real value here? No more manual work, and you finally get trustworthy data. And it completely streamlines delivery tracking. So, no more lost packages.
So let's see how this same idea helps build accountability across the whole team.
This helps with everything from maintenance issues to staff attendance.
This creates super clear ownership, which means problems just get solved way faster. This goes for security, housekeeping, pretty much all on-site facility teams.
So you don't need as much manual supervision, and people are actually on site.
For big properties, it's got geotagged security patrol tracking. This is a game changer.
You get a clear digital trail that proves security protocols are actually being followed. No guessing.
So what's the view like from the top? Well, you finally get centralized visibility.
This just means better governance, and you can scale without hiring more people.
So when you digitize daily operations, you see real gains in efficiency and accuracy.
Yeah, that's really the big takeaway here. Moving from manual chaos to digital clarity.
So, is your property ready? Because this isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new way of working.